Hello and welcome to Moe's channel. Today we are going to change our profile picture. So we're going to change Moe's profile, go to settings, go to my account. If you see streamer mode enabled, go to my streamer mode and disable the first button which says streamer mode. So disable that and then you can go back to my account, and that's how you can edit your profile picture. Just enable select an avatar, and then you can adjust it to the size that you like. Then once you're happy, press next and save, and that's it. Now you have changed your avatar. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and comment. That will help. Thank you.